My current research is working on plants, and here is some mint that I dug out of my garden yesterday. And the bit of the plant that we're looking at is down here on the roots, and on the edge of the roots you get long, thin, single cell protrusions developing called root hair cells. They're actually even thinner than the hairs on our own head. And what we're looking at is the deformation of the nucleus in these cells and how that affects growth. Now this is clearly a biological question, but I'm a mathematician, so what can mathematics contribute to these sorts of problems? Well, if we understand the biological process, then we can reproduce this in a mathematical model, and we can then compare the results from that model to experimental observations, and if they agree, that's really good validation that we understand what's going on. And if they don't, that's most exciting, because that indicates that there's something that we don't understand, that we haven't included. Which brings us on to sort of the second big advantages of maths, is that we can use it to make predictions. We can add new processes to our model. We can change the weight that we give different processes in the model, and use this to get a really deep understanding of the processes and what's going on. And then use this to inform experiments and suggest new directions. And I think actually this is where mathematics is at its most powerful, when combined and done in conjunction with experiments. This type of system is very complex, but like everything else in the world, it does still need to obey the laws of physics.